I have many friends and know many couples who have struggled to get pregnant. Now, I'm not going to share those details, of course, because those are deeply personal stories and they're not my stories to tell. And whether it's you or not, it's highly likely that you know someone who has wanted to get pregnant and has struggled to do so, because it's estimated that around 1 in 7 couples do in fact struggle to get pregnant. Now, this is not only emotionally draining, but financially draining as well. These fertility treatments can cost thousands of dollars, if not tens of thousands of dollars, and GoodRx's site even estimated that they can cost upwards of $30,000. And unfortunately, there aren't many insurance options for those who struggle with fertility. Fortunately, there actually are some big changes ahead, so that's what I wanted to talk about in today's video. Now, as I said, insurance options are usually rather limited, fertility benefits are often not covered, but rules can vary by state. So this is resolve.org, which is the National Infertility Association, and you can see from this map here that most states actually don't really cover any fertility benefits, or they're not required to cover any fertility benefits. And even those that do, it's rather limited. So there are states with IVF and fertility preservation coverage, states with IVF coverage, states with fertility preservation and some infertility coverage, states with fertility preservation and offer, not require, infertility or IVF coverage, states with fertility preservation coverage, and states with some infertility coverage. And honestly, look at this map. It's few and far between. And even then, you scroll down, questions to ask your employer: fully insured or self-insured. Fully insured plans are required to follow state insurance laws. Again, that's only a couple of them. But self-insured or self-funded insurance plans are exempt. So even if you live in some of these states, depending upon the type of insurance plan, they may not have to follow the law. And then a greater than 25 plan, a greater than 50 plan, etc. In these cases, employers with fewer than a set number of employees do not have to provide coverage if the law specifically includes employers with a certain number of employees. So again, even more stipulations being placed upon these few states that offer any type of benefit. And one step further, generally the policy must be written and or reside in the state that has an infertility insurance law. So there's even more ways around it. But here is where the big news comes in. But before we get to it, a really brief pause to remind you to please like and subscribe. Also, we will be releasing more information about this once we have more information. But in the meantime, if you do have questions, you can reach us in the comments below or at the number on the screen. We are licensed nationwide and there is no charge for our services. Okay, back to the good news. So the insurance carrier Aetna will now offer intrauterine insemination as part of their benefit nationwide. This makes them the first insurance carrier to expand these types of fertility treatment benefits nationwide. This is huge news. Now, up until this point, as I said, your options were really limited. Your best bet was probably a Blue Cross Blue Shield group health insurance plan, but it's not like you necessarily have all the choice in the world when it comes to your carrier for group health insurance. So Aetna's decision to expand these benefits nationwide will open the door to countless couples looking to conceive. So during the open enrollment period from November 1st to January 15th in most states, make sure to filter for Aetna as a carrier if this benefit is important to you. However, at least as of right now, there's no real way to filter for fertility benefits. So if you don't want to go through the struggle of having to go through each and every plan individually, we'd highly encourage you to work with a broker. Make sure that they know that this benefit is very important to you. That way you can be enrolled in a plan that covers it. So this benefit will start to slowly roll out as of September 1st, 2024. If you'd like to learn more, if you have questions about this benefit and the plans that offer it, make sure to give us a call at the number on the screen or in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help answer any and all questions as new information becomes available. Again, this is a very big deal. And if and when you do become pregnant, please make sure to check out this video all about your health insurance options when pregnant. As always, please make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.